Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to crochet this butterfly. I am using a 4mm crochet hook and a 3-ply yarn. First of all, wrap the yarn around fingers like this, and then with the help of crochet hook make a magic ring by pulling the second yarn through first one. Now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5 and then chain 6. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 3 times to make a double treble crochet hook. Crochet, stitch. Now pull the yarn through 2 loops, then through other 2 loops, then through other 2 loops, and then through last 2 loops. This is our double treble crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times, go into the ring and draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops, then through other 2 loops, and then through other 2 loops. This is called our treble crochet or triple crochet stitch. Make another treble crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook and make a double crochet stitch. Now make 2 chains and make a slip stitch into the magic ring. Now make 2 chains, wrap the yarn, go into the ring, draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops and then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn twice and draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops, then through other 2 and then through last 2 to make a treble crochet stitch. Now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. Make a slip stitch into this magic ring. One side of butterfly is ready. To make the other side, make 4 chains, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook twice and make a treble crochet stitch into the ring. Then wrap the yarn one time, draw a loop and make a double crochet. Then make 2 chains and make a slip stitch into the magic ring. Now make 2 chains, make a double crochet stitch into the magic ring. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times and make a treble crochet stitch. Again wrap the yarn twice and make a treble crochet stitch second time. Then wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 3 times to make a double treble crochet stitch, in which we would pull the yarn through 2 loops 4 times. After that make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5 and then chain 6. After that go into the magic ring and make a slip stitch into it. Our butterfly is ready. Now pull the starting yarn strand to close this magic ring. Now pull the yarn in the crochet hook and cut the yarn strand with the help of cutter. Remove the yarn strand and now with the help of crochet hook take this yarn strand at the back side. Now make 1 or 2 knots of these 2 yarn strands, which are starting and ending yarn strands, and after making 2 knots cut the extra yarn strand. These are approximately 1 inch length yarn strands. Our butterfly is ready. I hope you guys like this tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.